Our Blessed Mother cannot forget because she loves all her children, especially those who need the most. The Franciscan Saint Bernardine of Siena said that in the prison preparing to purgatory, where souls that are spouses of Jesus Christ are detained, Mary has a certain dominion and plenitude of power, not only to receive them, but even to deliver them from their ways. The quote is simply, the Blessed Mother has the power, coming from God, of delivering souls from purgatory, but more particularly those who are most devoted to them. Why is this the case? Our latest said to St. Bridget, I am the mother of all the souls in purgatory, and am I the mother of mercy to his children who are in the greatest need of my assistance, since in their torments they cannot help themselves. As a compassionate mother, she condescends as we read also to St. Bridget to go herself often to purgatory to visit, so the Blessed Mother goes often to purgatory in order to visit, comfort, and pull out her suffering children. St. Faustina herself in a vision saw the Blessed Mother visiting the souls in purgatory, and she records this in her diary. According to her, the souls in purgatory call her the star of the sea. One of the promises of the Rosary revealed by the Blessed Mother to Saint Alan de la Roche explicitly mentions this. I shall deliver from purgatory those who have been devoted to the Rosary. The said promise of the Holy Rosary is well illustrated by Michelangelo's painting of the Last Judgment. In that said painting in the Vatican, we see the Blessed Mother pulling two souls from purgatory using the Rosary. You can see that. The Blessed Mother pulling two souls from purgatory using the Rosary. The message of the painting is very clear. We want many souls to be pulled out from purgatory, and as soon as possible, aside from the Mass and other ways, pray the Rosary devoutly and pray it always. The more we pray it, the more we have souls to be released from purgatory into heaven. St. Padre Pio said, let us empty souls from purgatory